Ever been hit with hiccups at the worst time? But what actually causes them? And is there a real cure? Hiccups happen when your diaphragm spasms. That's the muscle that helps you breathe. This sudden movement forces your vocal cords to snap shut, making that classic hic sound. So how do you stop them? Some say holding your breath, drinking upside down, or swallowing sugar can help by resetting your breathing or calming your nerves. But here's the truth. There's no guaranteed cure. Most hiccups disappear on their own unless they last for days. So next time you get hiccups, just relax. They'll go away eventually. Follow for more mind-blowing facts.